Hello everyone, I'm going to go for a walk down my valley and see what I can see. I think there's lots of birds in my valley. Let me see if I can take you for a walk with me. Hope you enjoy finding things that begin with the letter B, like birds and bulls. Okay, let's go. Oh look, the first things I found were beautiful horses. Beautiful begins with B. Hello Lucky, hello honey. This boy has blue eyes. Blue starts with the letter B. B is for bull. These bulls are black bulls. Ducks. And somewhere over there are geese. Are all birds. Birds begins with B. In this valley there's lots of kowhai trees. Kowhai trees have beautiful yellow flowers. Look at them all. Wow. What a beautiful kowhai tree. And in the yellow flowers there are tui. I wonder if I can see one. It's quite hard. That is a big bull. Thanks for coming for a walk with me down my valley. I'm keeping my body healthy. Do you like going for walks too? On my walk I've been thinking about things that begin with the sound B. B. And I was looking at this beautiful eucalyptus tree and I noticed, did you know the bark falls off this tree? The bark is like the skin on the outside. It's always falling off, big bits of bark from the eucalyptus tree. Bark starts with B. I wonder if you'd like to go for a walk and look for things that start with the sound B. B for bubble and ball and bark.